gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Mike Enriquez. Charot!
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Dwayne.
Ako si Shanta.
Ayan. Kami po ay mag-asawa. Kinasal po kami dun sa Cebu noong March 10, 2017. Bonggang wedding natin.
Huwag magsagot ito ng karang.
We could not have asked for a better wedding. It was amazing. Special thanks to Van Gael's Perfect Union, diba? For making our wedding perfect and perfect.
Yeah, thank you, Miss Van.
Alam nyo, yung barong ko, pinya talaga siya. Ginawa siya ng pinya.
Oo, mukha siyang pinya.
In case you're wondering where the wedding venue was, it was in Chapelle de Busay, Cebu. First, we got married in the temple.
Tapos, pagkatapos ng temple wedding, pumunta kami dun sa Chapelle de Busay for the garden wedding and reception.
Before we watch this wedding video, ipapaalam namin sa inyo na hindi ito lang ang wedding video namin. Madami pa kaming mga wedding video. We have this one, which is the same day edit. Ron, the videographer, filmed and edited this on the same day. And then we have a long edit, which goes for about 20 minutes. Then we've got a 360 video, as in like, you know, those VR headsets that you wear and like you look around and you think you're actually there.
In the wedding.
You ready?
Yeah.
Yes. Let's do
I've
this.
been ready. Kanina pa, maya ka.
Here we go, Shanta. Here we go. Excited ka na ba?
Wow, Ron Paredes.
Ron
film?
Paredes. Siya yung pinaka-astig.
Paredes
ano,
na sigaw.
Paredes pa. Ron
Ron
Paredes,
Paredes.
ang pinaka-astig na videographer.
Yes.
Wow.
Ang galing-galing. Ikaw na. Oh, kita na lang.
Wala, parang party.
Makarongit.
Bakit ang dami mong bridesmaids? Tapos yung
Siyempre.
groomsmen ko, konti lang.
They're my best friends.
Grabe naman. Sabi ko sa kanya, dapat 3 lang bridesmaids mo
Ah,
ha.
hindi pwede. Hindi pwede.
Ang dami, mga 10. Hala. Si Hali, oh. They're my sisters. Artista na sila.
They're my sisters. Tapos si Dina ng Hili sa Chang. My dormmates nung nag-aaral ako sa UST for my masters. Yung dalawang
Wow,
Taiwanese.
ang ganda ni Shanta.
Gusto ko unta na ako nilarong lace. It shouldn't be like a shiny
Oh,
cloth.
bakit ang awkward mo mag-kiss sa
Ano ko ba? Kasi nakasmile ako, tapos kinis mo.
Ganun lang.
Hindi kasi
Matasil
nagsismile
ang
ako.
lips.
Tsaka nakakahiya kaya ikaw nagkikis ka gumagano. Ouch, my knee.
Hala, ito na.
Ano mo,
Hala.
vow, ang pinaka-perfect na vow.
I didn't rehearse these vows. I just
But you
spoke
wrote them,
from
di
the
ba?
heart, di ba?
No, you wrote them, di ba?
No, pero no, what I wrote was
No, no,
different
no,
to what
no.
I said.
Ah. Ako ang nagsiring nga.
Hala, ito na naman. Pero ngayon mong mag-kiss sa akin.
Magkarawag.
Bakit ganun?
Kaya ano ka madamong tao, tapos nasugod ka daw. It should be like this lang.
Wow,
Sugad
si
ka.
Shanta ang bida.
Oh my. Dapat sugad daw. Wow, Ray.
Si Jerome, nagkawawang cowboy.
Cowboy. Ito na lang.
Lahat na lang yung kiss mo. Ano, ito na.
Nasiguna ko.
Wow, English.
Di ba nagsabi ako, of course, I know how to speak English. What do you think? Di ba, I told you, we should write our vows. Tapos, turns out, ako ang maray nag-write in vow. I didn't write anything. Tapos ikaw nag-memorize ko. No?
I didn't memorize, I just spoke. I didn't remember what I wrote. Mas maganda yung ganun, di ba?
Oo.
Like from the
Pero,
heart.
nag-ano ko, nagsastutter ako. I don't like it.
Ayan. Theme song natin. They played this on Kapuso Mo Jessica Soho din. Di ba?
Hindi kaya yung team song natin. Gusto ko yung song na yun. Kaya sabi mo team song na lang. Wala naman
Theme
tayo.
song na lang.
Wala kaming team song.
Ala, mga feeling era.
Maganda kaya sila. I don't like mine.
That's good, you look good there. I don't know why you don't like this shot. Ang ganda kayo.
Di ba kumain? It's so like close to my face. Like,
Kasi ang ganda mo.
no.
Oh, my family.
Luna,
Shanta's family.
no, my lola and uncle and my cousin. Yano is my brother and auntie Susan and Tim. Nanay Mili.
Ayan, mga groomsmen ko.
Si and Vownie mo.
To the day we grow
And-
old and
and
maputi na ang
pamati.
buhok natin.
Pamati, kalbo ka na. Pamati.
Oh.
An imo vow, amo itong mga amo itong nga tanan nga imo ginya ka amo itong gusto nga nababatay sa mga babae.
Oh, wow.
Thank you for the beautiful vow. Mga paindor. Ano ako maray dami. Naproyo.
My run was pretty cool.
I think I'm gonna...
Don't lie, you're about to cry nga eh.
No, I'm not. I don't like it because I'm like
It was
this.
good.
And
It was
dakon
good.
duro
It's
na akong
fine.
mata. It's like,
Ang ganda kayang angle.
I like that shot.
Ito na. Walking down the aisle. Ang ganda.
Close up sila ko naman yun.
It's not even a close-up.
Karaw.
Ay, Papa. Well, that was better. At least you kind of opened your mouth in
No,
that one.
because I was laughing.
Wow,
Oh, may
galing
tuloy.
sumayaw. Alam nyo, they cut the part nung nakamali kami.
Hindi
Nagkamali.
kasi hindi naman talaga yun kasi inikot mo ako, tapos inikot mo na, sinikot mo na naman ako, tapos nahulog na ako. Tapos yung mga buko yung nagkaganon.
Oh, just watch it na lang ako pa. The whole video, nagreklamo ka lang sa lahat eh. Maganda kayo ang video, di ba? Maganda, no?
Maganda. I'm just nagre-reklamo with my face nga ni.
Oh, wow. Perfect shot with the fireworks, no?
Kunta ko ang liwat. Kunta ko ang liwat.
We were doing this reaction video, I expected Shanta to be like, sweet mo. Pero she's like, ako na, mukha ko, pangit na.
Ano kasi, nakakahiya kasi madaming tao, tas diba, kung nagkikiss siya, gumagano siya.
Kasi kasal natin, it's about us, di ba?
Ano ka ba?
Wala tayong pake.
At wala kayong pake.
Dapat pag mag-kiss ka, ganun, yung mali ko lang kasi hindi ako na ganun.
Basta nag-kiss si Shanta sa akin,
Dapat ganun. I was smiling.
smiling like this.
Oo, kasi ganun naman talaga ako mag-smile, di ba?
Wow. Nagmamandin ka na. But seriously, what did you think of the video?
I think it's the best. Salamat, Ron Paredes.
Diba? Ang galing ni Kuya Ron Paredes. If you're gonna get married anywhere in the Philippines, no, kahit saan sa mundo, get Ron as your
Yes.
wedding videographer. Nakita kasi namin ang mga video ni Ron, tapos sabi ko, I want him as my wedding videographer kasi sobra siyang galing.
Thank you for joining us and watching our video. So thank you for watching our reaction.
Alam nyo, kayo ang dahilan kung bakit tuloy pa rin ang YouTube channel na to.
Tuloy pa rin ang awit ng buhay ko.
Wait, why are we singing tuloy pa rin? Tayo pa rin eh!
Tayo pa rin.
And just before you go, we have a quick sneak peek at the long edit of our wedding video. Enjoy guys, and bye-bye!
Ta-da! Bye-bye.